Volcano lamp with colorful Mickey design. On, off switch. Add to any bedroom, living room, or playroom. Size: 4.5 by 4.5 15.5. This Kids Mickey Valcano lamp is perfect to add to you little one's room. Add their favorite character to brighten up their space. The relaxing and soft light makes for a great room feature. The Kids Mickey Volcano Lamp can also act as a night light with its soft illuminating light. This volcano lamp is perfect to add color and detail to the room. The design is both colorful and fun. Top reviews from the United States. Fast shipping. I really liked the value of this item. It was purchased to do my son's room in, and he is going to love it when he sees everything all together.